ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ಬೆಳಕು, ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ದೇವನಿ ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಇರಲು ದೂರ ದೂರ ಇರುಳು, ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೂ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಗೂ ಹರಡುವ ಬೆಳಕು. ಸಜ್ಜನರನ್ನು ದುರ್ಜನರನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪುವ ಬೆಳಕು, ಹಬ್ಬಿ ತಬ್ಬಿ ನಾಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗುವ ಬೆಳಕು. ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ಬೆಳಕು. ಬೆಳಕು ಇರಲು ಹೊಳಪು ಬಿಳುಪು, ಬೆಳಕು ನಗಲು ಸೊಬಗು ಬೆಳಗು, ಸುಖವು ಶಾಂತಿಯು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಸಂತಸವು. ಬೆಳಕು ಇರಲು ಹೊಳಪು ಬಿಳುಪು, ಬೆಳಕು ನಗಲು ಸೊಬಗು ಬೆಳಗು, ಸುಖವು ಶಾಂತಿಯು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಸಂತಸವು. ರಕ್ಷಕ ನೀನು ಜೊತೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು, ನಿರ್ಮಲ ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹರಡಲು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು ಅಭಯದ ನೆರಳು, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ಬೆಳಕು.
Dear students, welcome to National College, St. Anthony's Institution, a unique campus for quality education and academic excellence. On behalf of the management, I welcome you all to our institute for your UG studies. The name of this college will not just remain in the resume which you are going to submit while you apply for the job, but I am sure it will remain forever in your hearts. As we are beginning the new academic year, I wish you all the best. Give your best. Empowering youth towards excellence through holistic education is the vision of this institute. Dear students, we are here to empower you and mold you as global leaders. Remember always the core values of our institute and practice them in your life to achieve excellence. The core values are: first, faith in God. We all of us believe in one supreme power. We call it God. During your entire studies, give first place to God, the God whom we believe. Second, respect for life. Respect each biological being. Let it be a human person, an animal or a plant. We are called upon to respect each and every biological being. Third, moral uprightness. Be conscious always about the right and wrong, good and bad. Fourth, social responsibility. We are accountable for fulfilling the civic duty, and our actions must benefit the whole of society. Fifth, pursuit of excellence. Today, I call upon you, dream. Not just dream. See that your dream is actualized. Achieve, and the success will be yours. Don't be satisfied with the minimum. Strive to achieve excellence. Remember always the sacrifice of the people behind your success. Let their pain, their tears and their sacrifice may not go in vain. Be the learners, be creative, and be committed, and you will do the best. Finally, I would like to quote Dr. Radhakrishnan. The aim of education is not the acquisition of information, although important, or acquisition of technical skills, though essential in modern society, but the development of that bent of mind, attitude of reason, the spirit of democracy, which will make us responsible citizens. Dr. Radhakrishnan says, to be a responsible citizen, they require bent of mind, attitude of reason, and the spirit of democracy. So dear students, wishing you all success and praying on you God's choicest blessings.
Hello my dear students. First and foremost, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all on behalf of the staff, student and management community of St. Anthonian family. Welcome you all. We extend a very warm welcome to you with our open heart, open mind and open arms to our institution. Thanks for choosing us as your mentors. Thanks for choosing us for pursuing your higher studies and enlightening your future. I'd like to give an introduction about myself. I am Professor Basanti Goswami, HOD Department of Commerce, Darshan College. I have completed my Masters in Commerce and I am an MBA holder. I have overall 10 years of teaching experience in both the fields of commerce and management. Moving on to the subjects that we learn in the Department of Commerce. Department of Commerce basically comprises of the subjects that are pertaining to the accounting and taxation as well as the management related subjects. We will be studying a vast and wide variety of subjects in the Department of Commerce. So that is related basically with the accounts, financial accounting, advanced financial accounting, corporate accounting, advanced corporate accounting, cost accounting as well as management accounting. And apart from these subjects, you will be learning several theory subjects such as entrepreneurship development, Indian financial system, corporate administration and human resources management. So like these, you will be learning a vast variety of subjects. Then moving on to the taxation part, you will be learning income tax 1, income tax 2, business taxation, etc. And in the 5th and 6th semester, you will be having an option to choose the electives. The electives we are currently offering here, it is accounting and taxation as well as the banking subjects. Then next, you may ask me, that is, if you pursue BCom, what are all the advantages that you will be gaining in the future course of time? That is, see students, here once you complete the course of BCom, you can do your masters. Your masters means you can pursue your MCom, MFA, that is Master of Finance and Accounts, then MTA, Master of Tourism Administration, MIB, Master of International Business. Like this, you can pursue a wide variety of courses and you will be having an ample opportunity to pursue your CA as well as ICWA, Company Secretary course along with BCom here.
Good morning students. Myself Chandrika, HOD of Department of Management. My qualification is MBA, MCom, PG Diploma in Marketing Management. I have a teaching experience of 12 years and 1 year corporate here. And I have been teaching in Darshan College since past 7 years. I handle management process for the first sem BBA. Today, business management is viewed in terms of commercial value with increased profit, higher productivity and investment, good labor relationship and effective customer satisfaction. So the main objective of the management process is to build a knowledge management in organization. I, on behalf of management and faculty fraternity, welcome you all to the Darshan College. Thank you.
Students, I am Balkis from BCA department, which is nothing but computer application department, where you will learn all the subjects related to the computer technology. So I have a teaching experience of almost 8 years. I have done my BSc, BEd and MSc. along with this KSCT exam completion. So I'm going to handle C programming language, which is nothing but your basic programming language where you learn basic things regarding the coding, along with the scope of this C programming language where you are going to use in your application software, your system softwares in all these operating systems. So apart from this C programming language, like we are going to have with the digital electronics subject in first sem, so which is dealing with the hardware technology. So that means apart from your software, you have to have hardware also. So with the hardware, you're going to learn the basic things like gates, along with that integrated chips, circuits and all these. So which is having very good future scope related to your hardware as well as software. So welcome you all students. So you will be called as Darshanites now onwards.
ನಾನು ಮಂಜುಳಾ, ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥೆ. 20 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸೇವಾ ಅನುಭವ. ಕಳೆದ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ MA BEd PhD. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಕನ್ನಡದ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ತರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Hello students, I am glad that you have opted Darshan College for your degree program. I am Manoj Kumar KS. I have 3 years of experience in teaching field. I will be handling English and ICHR for you. English has occupied an important place in our educational system and life of our country. It is the language that continues to dominate the nation. India is the 3rd largest English speaking country. In India, English is being pursued as must-known language. We in Darshan College focus mainly on communication skills of students, as Department of English encourages students to indulge in communication enhancing activities like debates and plays. I'll be looking forward to meet you all in classes.
शुभोदय, मेरा नाम भारती है। मैं हिंदी की अध्यापिका हूँ। मैं पिछले 7 सालों से पढ़ा रही हूँ। हिंदी भाषा में मैंने MA, MPhil और BEd किया है। फिलहाल मैं PhD कर रही हूँ। अगर आप लोगों के सिलेबस के बारे में बताना है तो अब तक आप लोग जो PUC में पढ़े हैं 4 सोपानों के रूप में पढ़े हैं, उसमें से जैसे कि गद्य और उसके बाद मध्यकालीन कविता, आधुनिक कविता और एकांकी के रूप में आप लोग जो पढ़े हैं, लेकिन इस बार आप लोगों को सिर्फ गद्य ही रहेगा और उसमें से भी आप लोगों को जो हिंदी साहित्य के विधा है, कहानी, उपन्यास और एकांकी, निबंध, इस तरह के जो अलग अलग विधा है उसमें से आप लोगों को पढ़ने के लिए मिलेगा। तो ये सब कुछ आपको सिलेबस है और इसके अलावा आप लोगों को पत्र लेखन भी रहेगा। पिछले साल आप लोग जो ऑफिशियल लेटर लिख रहे थे, लेकिन इस बार ऑफिशियल लेटर और पर्सनल लेटर वगैरह नहीं रहेगा, बल्कि आप लोगों को वाणिज्य पत्र पूछा जाएगा और ये सब कुछ हम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लास के जरिए से पढ़ सकते हैं। तो आप लोगों का हिंदी क्लास में स्वागत है।
Hello my dear students, I am Father Vijesh Menezes. I am the guest faculty in Darshan College of Commerce and Management. Well, I'll be teaching Indian financial system to first year BCom students this year. It's a subject which extensively deals with various financial institutions in India, their salient features, objectives and functionalities, etc., which in turn is essential for us to know the systematic financial structure of our country. So I wish you all the best and happy learning experience in Darshan College of Commerce and Management. Thank you.
Myself, Reina Lavita Fernandez, Faculty of Department of Management. My qualification is BEd, MCom and at present pursuing my MPhil at Christ University. I have 3 years of teaching experience at Darshan College. Dear students, I will be accompanying you this year by steering you in fundamentals of accounting. Through this subject, you will be taught the insights of sound economic and management decisions which will enable you to become professional accountants.
Dear students, heartily congratulations to all the students who have joined in our institution. Myself, Professor Muhammad Tazir, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. My area of specialization is accounting and taxation, having an experience of 3+ years in teaching. I will be handling financial accounting for you in first sem, which is purely a practical subject. As you know, accounting plays a very important role as you have base from your second PUC. But this subject will take you to next level whatever you have studied. As you know how important accountancy is, it's not only help us with filing but also estimating the financial performance of the company. The subject consists of total 5 units. As you have already studied the basic, it starts with introduction to financial accounting and that it ends with complete a practical. Hope we'll meet you soon in online classes. All the best.
Hello students, I am Madhavi Srinivas. I am from Department of Commerce. My qualification is MCom MPhil. I will be taking up Marketing and Service Management for the first semester of BCom. It is the main objective of this subject is to learn in detail about the Department of Marketing as well as the service and managing of the both. In PU you would have generally learned about the management, but here you will learn in detail about both the departments, that is the management of marketing department as well as the service department. So see you all soon in the class.
Myself, Professor Michael Melvin, Department of Commerce, having a year of corporate experience and 3+ years of teaching experience, and my area of specialization is accounting and marketing. I will be handling methods of techniques, business decision for you people, that is MTBD, which will be pure practical subject. And in that, if you see, it consists of 5 different units, which is a combination of basic maths and few advanced methodologies also yet to learn, like matrices, AP and GP. And we as a facilitator will be guiding you and making you the subject much easier pattern, and hoping you to see you all people in the online class. All the best.
I'm Divyashree, Faculty of Department of Computer Application. I have completed my BE and MTech and I have 3 years of experience in teaching. So I'll be handling discrete mathematics. This subject mainly emphasis on improving your mathematical and also logical skills. Along with that, you will also have non-core subject, that is environmental studies, in which you're going to learn more about environmental concepts.
Dear students, welcome to Darshan College. We are very much happy to receive you as our student. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Srinidhi Siddhartha, Director of Physical Education. My department strives to build overall development among the students. The department contains indoor and outdoor games and for the all sports activities. It also involves cultural activity effectively to encourage hidden talents and skills. Most of our students have represented in state and various national level sports events. I would like to recognize few of our students at the moment. Sachin Buvaya, Elvin Mary, Prajwal and many more made our institution very much proud. The department promotes sports activity at the national level and participants can utilize the opportunity to build their career in sports quota. All facilities will be provided in our department. Utilize these opportunity and involve yourself in sports and cultural activities. Build your confidence and career at the best level. Wish you good luck for your future.
Hello my dear students. My name is Shantala KS. I am working as a library in Darshan College. My qualification is Masters of Library and Information Science. Library is well equipped with all facilities and it will be open from morning 8:30 to 3 p.m. All books along with professional journals are available for the reference students. Wi-Fi facilities also available for the students.
Dear students, first and foremost, I welcome you all to the Antonian family. Today, you begin a new academic journey, a journey that would shape your future, a journey that would bring out the potentials that are hidden in you, a journey that would help you grow in all spheres of life. It is natural that when we embark or begin a new journey, there will be so many aspirations, so many presuppositions in mind, countless doubts and questions, and hundreds of hopes. And these will be all the more if we do not know the destination. Dear students, I'm sure you have chosen a stream, maybe BCom, BBA or BCA, because you know your goal, your destination in life, what you want to be, what you want to achieve in your life. So make the best of this academic year to grow academically, socially, psychologically and emotionally. Be assured that we are with you, the management and the staff, to help you, to support you accompany you on your journey of unfolding the hidden you and to be the best you can be. So I have an acronym for you, FACE, in which F stands for focused. Focus on your goal in life. Until you are focused right, till then you will be on the right track. Focus on your strengths so that you can build up upon them. Focus upon your weaknesses so that you can overcome them. And the second letter, A, stands for aim higher. W. Clement Stone once said, "Aim for the moon. If you miss, you will hit a star." So always aim higher, aim bigger, aim greater, and also dream bigger. Never be satisfied with the minimum, never be comfortable with the least. Very often you might be in a tendency to feel that if I get the minimum marks, that is enough. If I get past, that is sufficient. No, always aim for the higher. And the third letter, C, stands for committed. Nothing is impossible for those who are committed and dedicated. Anything that is done with greater efforts and hard work will be rewarded. So never ever give up. Instead, exhibit commitment in every little thing that you do. Because success can be achieved only by those who are committed and dedicated. And the last letter, E, stands for evolve. Human persons can be said to be alive because they evolve. Even in the world of today, anything that is same for long loses its value and will be replaced by a new thing soon. Therefore, be creative. Pick every opportunity that knocks on your door. Grow for better from what you were yesterday. Don't be stagnant where you are. And if you have to achieve all this, FACE, focused, aim higher, be committed, and also to evolve, then you should have definitely with you a G, and that G stands for give 100%. Finally, give your 100% in everything that you do. Then you will be able to face life. Face life with a smile. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "If a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep streets even as Michelangelo painted, or Beethoven composed music, or Shakespeare wrote poetry. He should sweep streets so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will pause to say, 'Here lived a great street sweeper who did his job well.'" When you are studying, give your 100%. When you are playing, give your 100%. When you are participating in any cultural event, give your 100%. And definitely, success will be closer to you each day. So dear students, at the outset, I wish you all the very best as you begin your new academic year. So begin your new academic year at a very high positive note. All the very best. God bless us all. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।